Hi guys, welcome to Abdullah Cars TV. My name is Abdullah. Today I will tell you about the interesting history of the first automobile. The first automobile was invented in Germany in late 18th century, but the Americans quickly dominated the industry in earlier 20th century. In 1893, two bicycle mechanics, J. Franklin and Charles Dury, designed the first American gasoline automobile and won the American first car race in 1895. In 1901, the first modern car was invented, Mercedes, by William Maybach. 1970s, by increasing the price of the gasoline price, the market was took over by Japanese fuel efficient, well built smart cars. If you like this video, please like my channel and don't forget to subscribe. Have a nice day. Bye.